There are some basic controls that are important to know once you've made a mask. Right here, pressing Alter Option, and then clicking on the mask lets you see that mask in black and white. You can disable or enable the mask, and you can also invert the mask. So let's walk through what those look like, how those work. So firstly, what I'll do, I'll just use polygonal lasso tool here. I'm gonna make some kind of selection on this image. I'm just gonna select around his eyes and mouth here. And then what we'll do is, again, could make a mask from within contextual taskbar. We can make a mask from within layers. I'll click the button in layers. Now you can see we have our window over here, this little mask in black and white that is locked next to the little thumbnail of the contents of this layer. So if we look back at what those keystrokes are, so Alt Option click, view mask in black and white. So here I just want to look at the mask itself. So this is what the mask looks like. So I'm holding Alt or Option on my keyboard and then clicking on the mask right in layers, and that lets me see it. And I could do edits directly to the mask right here with my selection tool and with paintbrush as I'm shown. I'm going to click back on that to view the image itself. Holding down Shift and then clicking on the mask, you'll see disables that mask. Doesn't delete it, but it just turns it off so you can see what this image would look like if it did not have a mask on it. So Shift click again enables or disables the mask. And then finally, pressing on the mask and doing Command and I will invert the mask itself. And so this is one where I have this underlying image here. I'm going to show what it looks like, with the mask as I initially had selected it. Lots of that photo hidden. You can see it's mostly black. There's just a little bit showing through, but I could do something like completely invert that. And now the parts that I initially selected are the parts that are hidden, and the rest of it is what's visible. So yeah, a few basic mask controls.